this is Dan, hardcoreperler.com. Today we are doing a parrot. There you go. This is the parrot that comes along with the big board. You can get these at Michael's and online and on the internet and on the interwebs and on several other places that you can use your computer to get. I'm going to make this guy today because I want to make a parrot, and it seemed like a good idea to make a parrot. I'm going to put a little timer on here so we record it as we go. Unfortunately, the start-stop thing, little timer thing, doesn't work. So I'm just going to reset it to 12 o'clock, and we'll pretend that it goes. But when we start going, I'm going to fast forward this, and it's going to look like H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. The time to go, and my hands are going to go quick and everything. And you're going to look like a bionic man making a parrot. So here we go. Anyways, I got like most of my stuff prepared already. So you can see I got beads and beads and beads. This is periwinkle. Periwinkle's a color that you have to buy separate. A couple other things. I got my little cups with beads. There's a lot of different colors in this. You probably can't tell the color differences very well because of the crazy light and everything, but I'll take some better pictures with it. Those are 4 different shades of red. Then for the ones I only have a couple colors of, I just have the little lids for the cups, and we'll just pull those out as we go because there's not many of those. But here we go. It's 12:01. I'm talking, and we're gonna go. So we have this pattern. This is like an easy thing to do because we already got a pattern. And basically, we just want to find out where we go. First bead's being placed. We're going to put that bead right about here. There we go. We're done. We're started. Both at the same time. And we'll just go from here, putting beads on, making a bead sprite, as it were. This is one of the easier ways to do it because you get your little pattern made ahead of time, and I dropped one already.